Hello, everyone. Welcome to Catherine's ESL classroom. In today's lesson, we are going to learn the differences between a noun and an adjective. What? Yes, a noun and an adjective. This has a lot of confusion. Why? Because we still don't know how to use the proper word. For example, measuring dimensions. Measuring dimensions would be the height of something, the width of something, or the length of something. So do you know the differences between depth and deep? Well, I'll give you a hint. Depth is the noun and deep is the adjective. So let's learn some more and have some fun. So welcome again, everyone. How are you doing on this bright, beautiful day? Or perhaps it's raining today. Well, today is a very bright day for me. So again, let's learn about the noun versus adjective, the differences and examples, and a knowledge check, because we need to have those, right? Okay, so this is a good review of the differences. So what is a noun? Do you remember? Think of the noun as your naming word. A noun names a person, place, or thing. For example, a person here, as we see in the picture, would be a doctor. This could also be a mother, a friend, a nurse, or a teacher. Okay, but in the picture is a doctor, but I'm giving you other examples of what a person would be. So what is the thing in the picture? Well, the thing in the picture would be what? That's right, a book. So another thing would be a cup, a hat, apple, car, grass, house, and pet. Do you have any pets? Cats, dogs, canaries, snakes? Uh-oh. Okay, another noun would be a place. For example, what is in the picture? Correct, it is the zoo, okay? Another example of places would be your yard, meaning your backyard or your front yard, your home, a school, the city, or a park. Okay, now an adjective. Remember what adjectives are? They tell us about the nouns. They describe them. So for example, in this picture, we see two ants. They are tiny. There are tiny ants. So what is in the picture? This would be a pitcher, okay? In the pitcher, maybe we have our drinks, maybe our lemonade, our iced tea, or maybe even our water. And what color is the pitcher? It is blue. So what would be the adjective? That's right, blue. What would be the noun? The pitcher, okay? Now, what about this picture? What do we see here? That's right, they are bananas, okay? So how many bananas are there? 3. So which is the adjective? Correct, 3. 3 is the adjective, and the noun would be banana. How does it look? It looks lovely. Okay, what's the adjective here? That's right, lovely. And what is the picture? What do we see in this picture? Right, a pink flower. So I'll give you another bonus here. Which would be the noun and which would be the adjective if I say pink flower? Pink would be the adjective and flower would be the noun. How does it taste? Okay, it tastes sour. Sour would be the adjective. And what are we seeing in this picture? A lemon. Lemon would be the noun. How does it feel? It feels soft. What do we see in this picture? That's right, a pillow. Okay, we go to sleep with a pillow, right? Well, some people don't. I'll give you another bonus here. What color is the pillow? It's a pink pillow. Okay. So in pink pillow, what's the adjective? That's right, pink. And what's the noun again? Pillow. Good job. So what shape is this? This is a tough word to pronounce. I'll help you out. Triangular. One more time. Triangular. Okay, think of triangle. But triangular is the adjective. It's describing the watermelon. How does it behave? It behaves hungry. Hungry is the adjective. And what are we looking at in this picture? This is a dog. It's a hungry dog. And what's the noun here in hungry dog? Dog. Feelings. How do you feel? How does the turtle feel? The turtle feels happy. So this is a happy turtle. What's the noun here? Turtle. What's the adjective here? Happy. Okay, good job. I hope you're learning all about adjectives now. Okay, noun versus adjective and examples of using them. Okay, so let's study measuring dimensions. Now, there are a lot of other examples of using nouns and adjectives, but this is a good way to learn them because we have to measure things all the time. For example, say we need to go to a beach or a lake, and we have little children. And those children are maybe too small. Maybe they're 5 years old, 6 years old. And we need to know how deep the water is to see if it's safe, right? We need to see how deep the water is. Or we might say, what is the depth of the water? So you're wondering, what are the differences? So this is a great lesson to learn this. Okay. The noun here would be depth. This is a tough word to pronounce. So think of the P, we say depth, and then the th, okay, depth. That would be your noun. The adjective would be deep. So what is the depth of the lake? The depth of the lake is 50 feet. That's pretty deep, right? 50 feet or 15 meters. The lake is 50 feet deep. Okay, you see the differences now? There are two ways we can say this. What is the depth of the lake? Depth would be the noun and deep would be the adjective. Okay, so you can say this is a deep lake. Deep is the adjective describing the lake. But if you notice here with depth, okay, so you're seeing of the lake. Remember, this is your preposition and it's describing the object. Okay, you know these can be tough, so we just have to keep practicing. The noun here would be the height. This is the height of the tree. How high is the tree? These would be examples of how we would use this in a sentence. We're going to do this again. What is the height of the tree? The height of the tree is 13 feet or approximately 4 meters. The tree is 13 feet high. You can also say this is a high tree, okay? So you see the differences of how we use the noun height and how we use the adjective high. High is describing the tree, the noun, and height is the noun, okay? Because we're talking about the tree. I know, a little confusing. Okay, we have length as the noun. This is a tough one to pronounce. Let's try again. Try with me. Length. One more time. Length. The adjective would be long. What is the length of the tree? Oops, did I say tree? I meant truck. Sorry about that. What is the length of the truck? Okay, this would be like a tractor trailer trunk. Tractor trailer truck. That's a tongue twister. Let's try that one. Tractor trailer truck. What is the length of the truck? The length of the truck is what? 33 feet or approximately 10 meters. The truck is 33 feet long, okay? Long is the adjective describing the truck, okay? Length is the noun because the object would be truck, okay? So what is the length of the truck? So I'll give you a hint. The noun length is always before the preposition of the truck, okay? So that's your prepositional phrase of the truck. That would be your object, okay? The noun here would be the width, okay? It's how wide something is. So noun would be the width and adjective would be wide. So here's an example. What is the width of the street? The street is 65 feet wide, approximately 20 meters, okay? So if someone says, how wide is the street? You can say the street is 65 feet wide. Now I said how wide, but if I say what is the width of the street? Okay, so you hear the differences? How wide is the street? Okay, so we're using the adjective here because we are describing streets. But if I say what is the width of the street? Okay, so that the object prepositional phrase would be of the street. Okay, I know these are tough, but we just keep practicing. Okay. Okay, now the knowledge check. Now, if these were tough, go back, rewind, and go over it again, because this would be our knowledge check. Are you ready? Okay. The noun or adjective. Click on the correct option. Okay. The river is 75 miles. The river is 75 miles long. The river is 75 miles length, approximately 120 kilometers. What do you think it would be? That's right, long. The river is 75 miles long. Long is describing the river. What about this one? How width is the door? How wide is the door? Let's practice the pronunciation first. Width, width. A little tough, right? So how width is the door or how wide is the door? Which one? Good job. I know these are tough. How are you doing? The blank of the lake is 49 feet, approximately 15 meters. The depth of the lake is 49 feet. The deep of the lake is 49 feet. I'll give you a hint. Member of the lake, that's your prepositional object phrase. Which one? Good job. How do we pronounce this word? Depth. The depth of the lake is 49 feet. You gonna practice with me? Good job. Does he know the height of the building? Does he know the high of the building? Pay attention to the words here. Look at the word the. Does he know the blank of the building? Remember, when we have nouns, we want to use our articles, okay? We have a, we have an, and we have the. Good job. What about this one? The swimming pool is 6.5 feet, approximately 2 meters. So would this be depth or deep? The swimming pool is 6.5 feet. Which one? Good. Deep. Deep is describing the pool. How deep is the pool? Okay. So anytime you see the word is, okay, that is your verb is, you know we have the noun first. We know we have our verb, and then we have our adjective, okay? So the swimming pool is 6.5 feet deep, okay? So let's just practice this word, which is the noun, depth. Let's repeat, depth. So a good sentence would be here using depth, the noun. What is the depth of the swimming pool? Remember, if there's of, then you know that's going to be your prepositional phrase, okay? What is the length of the path? What is the long of the path? You getting the idea where to put the noun when we have the prepositional phrase? That's right. What is the length of the path? Let's just repeat this word, length. One more time, length. Good job. I think the path is too length. I'm tired. I think the path is too long. I'm tired. Remember, I'm is I am. I think the path is too, that's right, long, okay? Remember, the adjective would come after the verb here. The noun would be path. What do we see here? We see another prepositional phrase, the object, right? Object noun here. What is the width of the window? What is the wide of the window? Which one? That's right. Did you have a hard time pronouncing that? That's a little tough. Width, width, okay? The D is a very small sound. How did you do? Was this a little tough? I bet it was. So we review this lesson and you'll start becoming a master. If you have any questions at all, please comment. Please give us a comment and we would love to answer your questions. And don't forget, you want to do a thumbs up. You want to love this. I hope you are enjoying these lessons. Well, until next time, bye.